Good morning. This is a recording for Monday, October 21st. We continue with the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. Today's essay is titled Only While Loving. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with a quote from Robert Bly. If you had a sad childhood, so what? You can dance with only one leg and see the snowflake falling with only one eye. I flew all the way to South Africa, carrying all my troubles with me, like oversized bags that no one would check. And there in the sun that lit up Cape Town, I saw a boy on Green Street dancing on crutches. I put my bags of trouble down to watch. When he was dancing, the crutches were light as drumsticks, bouncing off the street. When he stopped, they became crutches again. Only when with dancing, or while watching the dancer, did this make any sense. Now that I'm back, I approach things differently, for only while telling the truth does the truth lighten us. When we stop, it turns massive. I left some of my bags on that corner of Green Street somewhere below the equator. Now I carry less and try to dance on my crutches, for only while loving do the pains of feeling lighten. Now take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Keeping your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Remind yourself that there is nothing you need to fix about this moment. Everything is already good enough, just the way it is. See if this reminder helps you settle into a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom, a space in which all the experiences of the present moment can simply flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now take a moment to bring to mind a scar that you carry. What is it? Feel the legitimacy of its weight. Now try to see if you carry some kind of crutch to support the weight of your scar. And if you do, see if you can loosen your grip on the crutch. Breathing easily, softly, naturally. Imagine playing with your crutch. What exactly do you imagine? Dancing, doing hopscotch, maybe something else. And now imagine putting your crutches down for a moment. How does that feel? Can you live without them now? How does this idea sit with you? Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I touch deep natural peace. And now, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. And as always, enjoy what you discover. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.